So all this was completely replaced. We spent so much money on this glass. Some random person threw a rock and broke our glass. Wow, look at those rope lights, right? Oh, this kitchen is gorgeous. Oh my God. Here's the hidden pantry. Look at this. Bam. Oh my gosh. Will you look at that? All right, what's up, everybody? We are back at Montessori. So it looks like from the last time I was here, there's a lot of things that has happened to this property. Exterior has been painted. They also painted the roof tiles as well. They had to redo the concrete here. Had the insurance company came out and was like, you need to fix the walkway to the house in order for us to insure it, which that has already been done. Let me show this right here. So this is it right here, the stamp. So all this was completely replaced. We do have a broken glass over here. One thing that I realized and I learned with having these type of investment properties that you're flipping, there's a lot of vulnerability. And take a look at this. We spent so much money on this glass and some random person threw a rock and broke our glass. Hopefully it's not one of the neighbors here because, you know, all the cars parked. I mean, that could possibly be pissing them off. But however, we're not blocking their driveway. And technically I own all this right here and own all that right there. So it is what it is. But I am here today because number one, we're gonna check up on the property. Number two, we are preparing this property for the market. It should be ready in the next couple of weeks. I think we got probably, I'm gonna say 4 or 5 weeks, but I'm actually here today to actually take some measurements. But let's take a look at this. I mean, things are definitely looking progressively awesome. Wow, look at those rope lights, right? Cool, right? Oh, this kitchen is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This door right here, we have a hidden pantry right back here. We also have another door there, I believe. I forgot. I don't know. Don't remember. But anyway, take a look at this. Ooh, love those niches right there. Ooh, that's sexy. All right. Where to start, because there's tons of upgrades to this home. First I got to count how many bedrooms and bathrooms and pretty much organize everything. So we'll figure that out here in just a second. Wow. Take a look at these hand pulls. Here's the hidden pantry. Look at this. Bam. Oh my gosh. Will you look at that? Take a look at that. That's banging right there. All right, so let's figure this out. We got primary here. We got an office here. Office. Then we got bedrooms 2, 3, 4. Then we got the flex space. Oh, take a look at this. Oh my gosh, look at 0 threshold. You know what? I don't want to show you guys too much, but then we have that flex space upstairs. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So we're gonna start off with the primary. I'm thinking, let's measure the primary. Matter of fact, you know what? I forgot my tape measure. So let me go get the tape measure and I'll be right back. So the primary is 13 by 7, but from a strategic marketing, you want to put 17 by 13, not 13 by 17. Now this also has a retreat area as well. Let's add in the retreat. go from wall to wall here. 11. 14. Also, what I'm going to do is just take some notes after, as far as like the type of material as well, and just take a note of everything so that way I can just explain everything in the description. But the way that we're going to do this right now is we're just going to put the renderings online. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and do our photos once the home is complete. Then we'll do the virtual staging. Then from the virtual staging, we'll add all the correct information. So this will be the office. That is 18 by 15. All right, guys, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna take a couple pictures here, so that way I can use this as a reference as far as some of the materials, because I can't remember all the materials in all the bedrooms and stuff like that. So I will be right back. Hang tight. So I haven't been here for a while, and I actually made a mistake. I just realized we have another bathroom. So we have a total of 5 baths. All right. Let me just finish up with these pictures and I'm out of here. I got one more thing I gotta write here. Kitchen size. All right, so the only thing I gotta do right now is just take pictures of the back here. Still gotta do the pool as well. All the Pebble Tech is coming up. There's the jacuzzi. We redid the jacuzzi. And we're finishing up with the chef's kitchen. This thing is starting to become gorgeous. All right, I'm pretty much out of here. I didn't realize you guys are still on. Now, one thing I just noticed, and I sent out to my partner a video. This home looks great, but the only thing I see, I feel like these trees are just blocking everything. I feel like if we dig out these trees, we got 1, 2, 3, which is, they're nice trees, but if we take that out, it would literally just open up this whole area, and you're gonna get a beautiful look as far as curb appeal to this house. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know, let me know in the comments below. Should we get rid of those trees? I'm thinking yes, but I don't know. Some of you guys love trees, so